Want to reset your Netflix recommendations, remove watched titles, or start a fresh profile? Here's how to clear your Netflix profile viewing history on Android the right way. First, open Netflix on your iPhone. Tap on the profile that you want to check the watch history of. From the bottom, go to My Netflix tab. Now tap the three-line icon in the top right corner. Tap Account from here. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Data Settings. Tap on it. After that, tap on Viewing Activity. Here, you'll see your entire Netflix watch history. To reset everything at once, scroll to the bottom. Now tap Hide All. A confirmation message will appear. You just need to confirm your choice. This clears your full history and resets your recommendations. But Netflix may take up to 24 hours to fully update. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Netflix profile history on Android. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Netflix and Android tutorials. See you in the next one.